Hey everyone, it's Audrey, and this is going to be a how I style an outfit video. I've been seeing a lot of outfit styling videos lately, so I decided that I wanted to make one for myself. This video is in partnership with Boohoo. I'd never shopped anything from them before, so when they reached out to me for a partnership, I was definitely interested because I was curious as to the cost, the fit, and everything like that. And I was pleasantly surprised by both. Everything on their website is pretty trendy, it's really affordable, and going by the sizing chart, I felt like everything fit me pretty well. But anyway, there were 10 pieces that I got from them in particular that really stood out to me. I thought that I could get a lot of use out of them, make a ton of different outfits, so I decided to push my outfit styling abilities and try to make 50 different outfits from the clothing that I got from them. All of these are current, so if you end up liking anything, you can shop the new in collection. These are also for warmer weather just because I live in California and it's still summer here. I guess it's always summer here. I hope you find outfit inspo anyway. So let's just get into it. So first up is going to be this white top. On the Boohoo website, it's called the Crepe Plunge Front Crop Top. I feel like I see this style with puffy sleeves and this cute neckline all over the internet, and it kind of just goes with all of my bottoms. The white of this top matches my single white pair of denim, so the monochromatic look felt necessary with some neutral colored accessories. White anything also looks great in my opinion with a leopard print, and I loved how this looked with a long skirt and white flats. Very feminine but still edgy somehow. Something else I like to do is pair longer sleeve tops with shorter skirts like this mini floral skirt. And since floral is pretty feminine, I thought I'd go opposite and wear it with white sneakers. If I were to wear this top and I was in a hurry though, my first instinct would probably be to just wear it with some denim cutoffs, more relaxed accessories, and some comfy sandals. But like I said, it just kind of goes with everything I have, which makes it super easy to wear. So we're going to move on to this pair of shorts, which are called the Contrast Stitch Belted Paperback Waist Short on the Boohoo website. The belt is removable / adjustable, which is nice, and then there's a front pocket detail as well as actual pockets on the side. The length I like as well. They're not too short, so it feels appropriate for whatever occasion. I like the way that it looks with the white long sleeve. I thought with this that it looked best with brown heels and a backpack, but I'd most likely gravitate toward wearing these shorts with a white bralette top instead, since the weather is pretty warm for me right now. Shoes, I'd go for some type of flat like these pointed slide-ons and an easy knit bag. Comfortable, casual, but still put together. Another outfit option would be to add an olive or army green jacket over this. This color combo just pleases me aesthetically. I also changed up my accessories to color match a bit better, and the heels were just a stroke of luck that I had a pair of heels in the same color as the jacket. Another way to wear the shorts would be to dress it down with a graphic tee. I also felt like giving this look a more 70s appearance with a fringe kimono and green circle sunnies. The high-top Converse just finished off that retro vibe I was feeling. Going in an entirely new direction, these shorts also remind me of the uniform I had to wear when I was in grade school, so I went with it and paired it with a white button-up and black knit cardigan. A backpack and flats just made sense as well since the mood was very back to school. But since school is over for me, I'll probably just stick to wearing tie front crop tops that I could never get away with if I was still in school. This floral top is also from Boohoo. The name of it is the Woven Ditzy Print Puff Sleeve Crop Top. Try saying that 5 times fast. I swear I've seen this outfit on Pinterest or something with a bag like this and heels like these. The green and the tan are just a yes for me. Kind of a girly look, but I'm into it. If I were to add a bit more edge to a top like this one, I'd pair it with a sportier bottom like these cargo pants. You can search them on the site under self-belted pocket side cargo trousers. The green was very matchy already, so for accessories I just kind of paired what felt right in the moment, which were green earrings, lots of necklaces, this vintage beaded bag I recently thrifted, and nude heels. For a beachier look, all I'd do to switch it up would be to add a straw hat, a sheer top over a bikini or bralette, my beach bag, and some sandals. I could totally see myself wearing this on vacation. Another option would be to wear it with a denim shirt. I wear denim a lot, so I find it difficult to wear shirts like these because I don't really like the look of pairing denim on denim. But the green cargo pants looked like a good fit, and then I just matched my accessories to each other since I didn't really have anything that color matched the outfit itself. Initially, I thought these pants were very sporty, so to play that up, I liked the idea of pairing these with a white muscle tank and Converse sneakers. Not something that I would normally wear, but definitely an alternative if I was going for something different. So I also like the idea of a grungier outfit, which I would attempt by wearing a black mesh crop top and adding all black accessories, like sunglasses, boots, and a backpack. Moving on to the next boohoo item, this is the lace insert cowl camisole. A black cami is such a closet staple, I think. Very girls' night out with black denim, heels, and a leather jacket and clutch. I can dress it up with a black mini skirt, beaded bag, and Mary Jane heels. Almost looks like a dress this way rather than a top and a skirt. I can dress it down with a leopard cardigan, denim cutoffs, and Doc Marten boots. Another way to wear it could be underneath a slouchy off-shoulder sweater with a denim mini and sneakers. I don't think you could really go wrong with a black tank, essentially. I have this funky polka dot pair of trousers that I wear with everything, which I also think looks quite cute when paired with this cami. Next up is the spot mesh tie front shirt, which I have also paired with my polka dot print pants. This is for sure a statement. That statement being I love polka dot, which is very true. If the abundance of polka dot is too much for you, this sheer top could also be worn with denim. This is actually most likely how I'd wear it, with the black bralette underneath, a black bag, and sandals. I tried it on over a little black dress and heels, which was a bit fancy for me, but still totally in the realm of what I'd wear. A vacation outfit look would be to wear this over a bikini top and cutoffs with a straw hat and sandals. This I'll definitely wear now that I'm looking at the footage. And just for funsies, I tried wearing this top underneath a pullover sweater since it had this collar detail. I didn't have a long enough sweater to wear this as a dress, so I threw on some biker shorts and sneakers. It was definitely a fun look that I'm not used to, but my husband really liked it, so I kept it as an option. Moving onward, this next item is a t-shirt, but it caught my eye because of the trim and the material is so soft. It's called the striped neck and cuff rib t-shirt. I immediately wanted to pair it with this pair of checkered pants, a black belt, and my Docs. A sportier look for me would be to wear this with a black skater style skirt, my mini backpack, and some fun sneakers that I thought matched this top pretty well. I felt very stylish in this outfit, probably because I'd normally just wear this with denim cutoffs and Converse. Not very inventive, but still a good look in my opinion. If I were to make a lookbook with this t-shirt a couple of years ago, I'd most definitely pair it with my favorite flannel around my waist and Doc Martens. If you've been watching my videos for that long, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And lastly, I had a pair of black overalls that I thought, why not, and I went for it. Paired with red Converse sneakers, I could see myself wearing this on a day where I just want to be comfortable. Up next is a two-piece set called the tie front, bralette, and wide leg pants Cowl. I love two-piece sets because you can mix and match them with so many things. Here I am wearing the pieces together with some flats and a matching bag. But if I put a top over it, it feels like a new outfit to me, especially if I change the accessories around. This top matched a little bit more, but I thought it could also be flattering to wear it with a whole other color for a little contrast. The beach girl in me wants to wear this with a loud, flowy skirt and matching hat, bag, and sandals. This outfit reminds me of a tropical vacation, which I'm not mad at. But if I were at home, I'd probably just wear this with a knit kimono, cutoffs, and my sandals and just call it a day. The following item is a ruffle one-shoulder bodysuit, which I picked up because of the color. I wanted some earrings to match, so I also picked up these bead cluster hoop earrings on their website. Very beachy, very me, I thought. A bodysuit is another wardrobe staple for me. You can wear it with jeans and heels. I also had some pants that were in the same color family, so I went with it and could see myself wearing this out with the right accessories. Another look that I secretly love is to pair rust and teal together. Red and green can come across as very Christmassy, but rust and teal I think are very flattering together, and with tan accessories it just felt like a win. Something I also gravitate towards is pairing red clothing items with blue and white, so a way I'd wear that is to pair the bodysuit with a blue denim skirt, cardigan, and white accessories like a bag and sneakers. Lastly, let's say you were to forget to bring a swimsuit. A bodysuit could be a temporary alternative, not to swim in obviously, but to lay out in if needed. Speaking of swimsuits, I also picked up one called the Palm One Shoulder Asymmetric Smock Swimsuit. The print is so striking against the tan. Perfect beach vacation colors, I think. I'd just wear it with a straw hat and go. But if I were to wear it out after swimming, I'd most likely reach for some denim cutoffs, a ball cap, and some sandals. Such a go-to outfit for me, but if I wanted more coverage, I could also opt for some overalls. The one shoulder thing makes me want to go one shoulder with the straps, so that's what I did. And just so I felt a bit dressier, I went with a straw bag and some heeled sandals. Those teal pants I wore earlier with the bodysuit went along well with this swimsuit, so I wanted to throw that in as an option with some heels for a more put together look. And then this next one might be a little too crazy for some people, but pattern mixing is fun. The prints are kind of in the same theme, and with a knit cardigan that matched one of the colors, simple sandals since the outfit itself is pretty loud. Last item I got is an acid wash oversized denim jacket. I wore this out when I was with friends recently with that same printed pair of shorts, a black bralette, and Doc Martens. This denim jacket is super comfortable, and I have so many blue denim jackets that I thought this one was a nice change of pace. If I were to wear this on another night out, I could go for an all black outfit, bodysuit, skinny denim, and sandals as a base, with this denim jacket on top for a bit of interest. Another thing I like to do with denim jackets is to bring them along when I'm going to night events and I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to be dressed up or not. So let's say I'm wearing a fancier dress and heels and it turns out I'm really overdressed. I just put on a denim jacket and instantly I feel more comfortable because the look is dressed down significantly. Trying this out with a romper, for example. Say I show up, feel too fancy, boom, denim jacket, not so fancy. Last of all, I also think this looks cool with a hoodie peeking out underneath. The tie-dye print was also so retro, I couldn't say no. I'll probably wear this when the weather cools down for a bit or when I'm transitioning into fall. Either or, I'm all about this jacket. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Boohoo for sponsoring, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!